Saturn in Dharma Trikona, first, fifth, and ninth house. Here, Saturn is a significator of grief, discipline, persistence, is a hard taskmaster, causes delay, and karma or profession, career things are also looked through Saturn. Saturn also restricts, gives maturity, and also is a significator of kala or time. So let's see what happens when Saturn is in first, fifth, and ninth houses. So in the first house, it affects the identity of a person, his character. So here it induces seriousness. Person appears to be more matured than the age, talks more wiser or has some wisdom, is disciplined. Confidence is low initially but grows with time, and there is a sense of responsibility in a person. So, here the purpose is to take the charge of your own abilities, and instead of self criticism or always thinking yourself at times as underdog, you can work towards the self mastery where definitely you can excel. Now, in the fifth house, the house of children, the education, romance, and Purva Punya Bhava. So here, belief in quality over quantity. That's the belief of a person. Does slow work but has good creative intelligence. So believes in creating something that's more long lasting even though it takes many years, a long period of time. Personal life romance may take the back stage initially and there can be delays. More number of education in years is possible through either delay or pursuing higher education. There can be delays in getting children. And the goal here is to be more patient about the things. The way creative outcome is expected through persistent efforts should apply the same thing in all part of life, as there can be some delays through certain aspects also from here. So patience always pays off. In case of ninth house, it's like a researcher, a seeker who always needs practical evidence, does not rely on fantasies or things written by others, wants to experience the things. So strict and disciplined teacher is what someone is being made through this placement. Person may be less fortunate or does not rely on luck but is hardworking. There can be slow initial spiritual growth, progressive spiritual life with age. So both are the same thing. And more belief in life experiences than bookish. So here person also wants to do it, and also opportunity comes where person experiences different things in life which he wants to learn rather than just feeling it through reading or through others' mouth. Purpose here is to build a solid foundation of belief that is true in its essence, not getting misguided or something that cannot be measured. So you should be practical, of course, but there should be a balance between the two, because always through ages, through ancestors, there is a lot of knowledge that has been passed from generation to generation. So at times You can have evidence, few things cannot have, then you need to use the logic. So Saturn alone may not be sufficient here. You may have to apply your Mercury, Jupiter, and so on. But still, it's a very good placement. So, friends, you're watching the Jupiter Retrograde channel. Thanks for watching.